Hi, in front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Language and Input. Following that, click on those three sliders next to Android keyboard. Scroll down and click on Autocorrection. Following that, to enable it, select one of those options: Modest, Aggressive or Very Aggressive. If you wish to turn it off, click on Autocorrection again, but this time click on Off at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!